Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and most exciting car reviews. Today we're diving into a true icon reborn, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. This car isn't just a revival of a classic, it's a statement, a tribute to the muscle car era, now reimagined for the modern day. Stick around as we take an in-depth look at its exterior design, interior features, performance capabilities, pricing, and our final thoughts. Let's get started. At first glance, the car's front design is an unmistakable homage to its heritage, yet it's been updated to suit the modern era. The wide and imposing grille spans nearly the entire front fascia, with a honeycomb design that emphasizes the car's sporty nature. Chrome accents around the grille add a touch of sophistication while nodding to the chrome-heavy designs of the original Chevelle. The dual LED headlights are a perfect blend of past and present, featuring a circular design that's reminiscent of the classic model but with a sleek, modern interpretation. Integrated within the headlights are daytime running lights that form a distinctive signature, ensuring that the Chevelle SS 454 stands out both day and night. The hood, sculpted with twin functional vents, gives a visual clue about the beast of an engine that lies beneath. The lower part of the front fascia houses aggressive angular fog light housings and a large air intake, which not only add to the aesthetic appeal but also improve the car's aerodynamics and cooling. Moving to the side, the silhouette of the 2025 Chevelle SS 454 is a masterpiece of design. The long hood and short rear deck are classic muscle car proportions, giving the vehicle a sense of power and motion even when stationary. Deep, pronounced character lines run along the side panels, enhancing the car's muscular stance. The 20-inch alloy wheels are a standout feature, with a retro-inspired design that complements the car's overall theme. These wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires that not only improve grip but also add to the Chevelle's visual appeal. Subtle details like the SS badge placed just behind the front wheel arches add a touch of nostalgia, reminding you that this car is part of an iconic lineage. The side mirrors are aerodynamically sculpted and include integrated turn signals, blending form and function seamlessly. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear, creating a sleek and aerodynamic profile without compromising the car's aggressive and bold stance. At the rear, the Chevelle SS 454 continues to impress. The design is cohesive and well thought out, featuring quad tailpipes integrated into a sporty diffuser. These tailpipes not only enhance the car's aesthetics but also amplify the unmistakable roar of the V8 engine. The taillights are a work of art, featuring a slim and horizontal layout connected by a sleek LED light bar that stretches across the rear. This light bar adds a futuristic touch while maintaining a clean and timeless look. Above the taillights, a subtle lip spoiler is integrated into the trunk lid, improving aerodynamics without being overly dramatic. The rear bumper is sculpted to mirror the front's aggressive design, and the SS badge takes center stage, reminding everyone behind you that this is no ordinary car. The interior of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 is where modernity truly shines. The cabin is designed with a driver-first approach, ensuring that every control and feature is easily accessible. High-quality materials dominate the interior, with a combination of leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum creating a luxurious yet sporty ambience. The seats are leather-wrapped and heavily bolstered to provide maximum comfort and support, particularly during high-speed driving. The SS logo is embossed on the headrests, further emphasizing the car's pedigree. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom design wrapped in leather and features mounted controls for audio, cruise, and performance settings. Behind the wheel, the fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster is customizable, allowing drivers to choose from a variety of layouts including classic analog dials or modern performance metrics. The center console is dominated by a large 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with Chevrolet's latest software. The interface is intuitive and responsive, offering features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system. The premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, ensuring an immersive experience whether you're listening to music or enjoying the symphony of the engine. The console also houses physical controls for climate settings, which are a welcome addition for those who prefer tactile buttons over touchscreens. Storage spaces are thoughtfully designed with a large center armrest compartment and multiple cup holders, adding practicality to the sporty interior. The rear seats, while not as spacious as the front, offer enough room for shorter trips and contribute to the Chevelle's usability as more than just a weekend toy. Performance is where the 2025 Chevelle SS 454 truly shines. Under the hood is a monstrous 7.4-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine that produces an earth-shaking 650 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. This engine is a modern tribute to the big block V8s that defined the muscle car era, delivering power in a way that's both visceral and thrilling. The car comes standard with a 10-speed automatic transmission that offers lightning-fast shifts and excellent fuel efficiency for a car in this segment. For purists, a 6-speed manual transmission is also available, allowing for a more engaging and connected driving experience. Acceleration is blistering, with the Chevelle SS 454 reaching 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 180 mph, ensuring that the car remains controllable even at high speeds. The driving dynamics of the Chevelle SS 454 have been fine-tuned to deliver both performance and comfort. The magnetic ride control system continuously adapts to road conditions, providing a smooth ride during daily commutes and a firm, responsive feel during spirited driving. The steering is precise and well-weighted, giving the driver a sense of confidence and control. The Brembo performance brakes ensure excellent stopping power even after repeated hard use, making the car as capable on the track as it is on the road. The adaptive exhaust system offers multiple modes, allowing drivers to switch from a quiet and refined exhaust note for city driving to an all-out roar that will make any muscle car enthusiast's heart race. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 starts at a competitive $75,000 for the base model. However, opting for additional features and performance upgrades can push the price to around $95,000. While this places the Chevelle SS 454 in the premium muscle car segment, its blend of performance, luxury, and heritage justifies the price tag. It's not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history reimagined for a new generation. This car is a perfect fit for enthusiasts who want a vehicle that combines the nostalgia of classic American muscle cars with the conveniences and performance of modern technology. However, it's worth noting that the Chevelle SS 454 is not for everyone. Its fuel economy is not the most efficient, and its aggressive nature might not suit those looking for a practical daily driver. But for those who value performance, design, and a connection to one of the most iconic muscle cars ever made, the Chevelle SS 454 delivers in spades. As we wrap up, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 stands as a shining example of how a car can honor its heritage while embracing the future. From its striking exterior and luxurious interior to its heart-pounding performance, this car is a true masterpiece. If you're a fan of muscle cars, this is one you'll want to experience for yourself. Let us know your thoughts on the Chevelle SS 454 in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.